Sicily. From the moment you step foot on Sicilian soil, you feel it. This isn't just an island. It's an energy, a warmth that hugs you like grandma. Sicily is alive with ancient stories whispered on the wind. Get ready to fall in love. Our first stop is Palermo, the exciting capital of Sicily. This city is full of attractions, sounds, and scents, a true feast for the senses. Get lost in the winding streets of the old town. Arab Norman buildings blend with Baroque, telling stories of a rich and varied past.
Don't miss the splendid Palermo Cathedral. Inside, you will find a truly fascinating mix of architectural styles. Another must-see is the Palazzo dei Normanni. Its Byzantine mosaics are incredible, a true masterpiece.
Palermo is a food lover's dream. Try the street food, a true institution. Try the arancini and panel, Palermo specialties. For a sweet treat, you can't miss the cannoli, a true Sicilian delight. Enjoy the atmosphere. Talk to the locals, they are very welcoming. Palermo is best enjoyed slowly, without rushing.
Next stop, Taormina, perched on a cliff overlooking the Ionian Sea. This charming town is famous for its breathtaking views and the ancient Greek theater. Imagine watching a show with Mount Etna in the background. What a show!
The Greek theatre is one of the main attractions of Taormina. Built in the 3rd century BC, it is still used today. Unbelievable. Sit on the ancient stone steps and enjoy the history and the view.
Walk along Corso Umberto, Taormina's main street. Here you will find shops, cafes, and restaurants, a real gem. Stop for a granita, a Sicilian shaved ice delicacy, perfect for a hot day. As the saying goes, a granita a day keeps the doctor away.
For splendid views of the coast, go to Giardini Naxos, a beautiful bay below Taormina. Here you can relax on the beach, swim in the sea, or enjoy the sun, a true earthly paradise.
Get ready for an adventure as we climb Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano. Don't worry, it's safe. You can choose how adventurous you want to be, from a cable car ride to challenging hikes.
As you climb, you'll see the landscape change. Green plants become volcanic rock and craters. The air smells like sulfur, a reminder of the volcano.
At the top, you'll have breathtaking views. On a clear day, you can see for miles. It's an incredible experience.
Back at the bottom, try some of Etna's food and drinks. The volcanic soil makes great wines and honey. Try local foods like pasta alla Norma, made with eggplant and ricotta salata cheese.
Our next stop is Agrigento, home to the Valley of the Temples.
This UNESCO World Heritage Site showcases the grandeur of ancient Greece. Prepare to be amazed.
As you stroll through the valley, you'll see well-preserved temples.
The Temple of Concordia, with its towering columns, is truly impressive.
Imagine life in this city centuries ago. Can you hear the echoes of the past?
The Valley of the Temples is a magical place that will transport you to another era.
After exploring the ruins, visit the Agrigento Regional Archaeological Museum. Here you'll find artifacts from the Valley of the Temples, revealing more about ancient Greek life. For those who crave a deeper connection with nature, the Madonie and Nebrodi mountains are your ultimate escape. Nestled in the heart of Sicily, these mountain ranges are a haven for hikers, explorers, and anyone seeking tranquility. As you traverse the winding trails, you'll encounter picturesque small villages where time seems to stand still. The locals are warm and welcoming, often inviting you to taste their renowned local cheeses. Imagine savoring a slice of fresh pecorino while surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of these mountains. In the Madonie, you'll find ancient forests, rare plants, and wildlife that make every hike an adventure. Nebrodi offers vast landscapes, serene lakes, and hidden waterfalls that will leave you in awe. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual walker, there's a trail for everyone. The Madonie and Nebrodi mountains are not just a destination, they're an experience that will rejuvenate your soul and fill your heart with wonder. One of the best things about Sicily is that it's affordable. You can have a great time without spending a fortune. Hotels range from cheap hostels to luxury resorts. You can find a nice double room starting from €50 a night. Food is another fantastic thing about Sicily, and it's not expensive. You can enjoy a delicious meal for around €15 to €20. Street food is even cheaper. with arancini and penne costing around €2 or €3 each. Ready to pack your bags? Here are some tips to make your trip easier.
Learn a few Italian words. While many people speak English, knowing some Italian will make your trip better. Pack comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Bring sunscreen, a hat and sunglasses. The sun can be strong.
Be prepared for a slower pace of life. Sicilians like to take their time, relax and enjoy the trip. And most importantly, come with an open mind and a sense of adventure. Sicily will surprise you. Sicily is not just about stunning landscapes and historical sites. It's also about vibrant celebrations that bring its rich culture to life. Festivals here are a true testament to the island's spirit and traditions. Let's start with the Feast of Santa Rosalia in Palermo. Held every July, this grand event honors the city's patron saint with parades, music, and fireworks, transforming the streets into a sea of joy and devotion. Next, we move to Trapani, where the Easter processions are a sight to behold. These solemn and moving events feature elaborate floats and statues carried through the streets by devoted locals, reenacting the Passion of Christ. And don't miss the Almond Blossom Festival in Agrigento. Celebrated every February, this festival marks the arrival of spring with traditional music, dances, and of course, the beautiful blooming almond trees. These vibrant celebrations showcase Sicily's rich cultural heritage and bring communities together in joyous festivities. They are a perfect blend of history, tradition, and the infectious Sicilian zest for life.
When I think back to my trips to Sicily, I feel a sense of wonder and gratitude. This island gets inside you. It stays in your heart. Maybe it's the friendly people, the ancient history, or the breathtaking landscapes. Sicily has a magic that is hard to resist, a bit like the siren song.
I've seen amazing temples, walked through lively markets, and tasted Sicilian delicacies like pasta alla Norma or cannoli. But it's the people I've met that have made my trip truly special. Warm, generous people, in love with their land, a true spirit of hospitality as only we Italians know how to offer.
Sicily is a place you will not forget. A place you'll want to return to again and again, as one always returns to the places of the heart. And when you do, you'll be welcomed with open arms.
There you have it, a little taste of Sicily. From Palermo to Agrigento, this island has something for everyone. Whether you are passionate about history, culture, adventure, or relaxation, Sicily is fantastic. As you plan your trip, remember to embrace the unexpected. Leave room for discovery, like when you try a new arancino. Get lost in the alleys, enjoy the food, and meet the people. Do like the Sicilians, take your time for a coffee and a chat. Let yourself be surprised by the magic of this island. Arrivederci, Sicilia.
Here it is, a taste of Sicily. From the crowded streets of Palermo, a real anthill, to the ancient ruins of Agrigento, witnesses of a glorious past, this island offers something for all tastes, just like a festive banquet table. Whether you are passionate about history, culture, seeking adventure, or simply wanting a relaxing holiday like a plate of pasta alla Norma, Sicily will not disappoint you. Prepare to be amazed. As you plan your Sicilian adventure, remember to embrace the unexpected, as you do with a surprise guest. Get lost in the intricate alleys like Ariadne's thread in the labyrinth, savor the authentic tastes of local cuisine, a true riot of flavors, and immerse yourselves in the warm welcome of the people, a hug that warms the heart. And above all, let yourselves be captivated by the magic of this island, an unforgettable experience like a serenade under the stars. Goodbye, Sicily. See you soon.